Hello, welcome to this video about the EpocCam app. There's loads of possibilities for this app and what you can do with it in regards to your live streaming or content creation. If this video is helpful to you, just please like and subscribe, and remember the little bell notification for when you know when new videos go live. So, let's get over to the app. So first you need to go to the App Store on your iPhone. This is only available for iPhone at the moment and not Android. Also, you need to have iOS 13 or higher. And whilst that's downloading, we'll head over to Elgato's website and download the driver for your computer. All the links will be in the description below that you need. Once both are downloaded and installed, all you need to do is open up the app on your phone. Now, when you open it, it will connect connect wirelessly to your driver on the computer. And then once that is all connected up, you can play with the settings within the phone. Now, the free version is a limited aspect ratio. I've completely forgotten what it is though. But if you do pay for it, I think it's £8, something like that. If you do pay for the paid version, you can go full 1080p aspect ratio. So now that's all downloaded and set up, let's head over to OBS and get it all set up within your OBS scenes. Okay, so here we are in OBS. Now, when in OBS, you just add it to your sources exactly the same as you would any other webcam or video source. Right click, add, and then, where is it? Video capture device. Call it whatever you want, we'll call it Epoch. And then okay. So once you've added that, you then go to the drop down menu which says device, and then literally select Epoch camera, and there we go. You can see there is the Epoch cam, and that is sat right in front of me using my back camera. Obviously probably need to make some adjustments with the light, with the way I've got the light set up. You see there, that's the free version of the Epoch cam. That's the resolution you get it in. It's also got the little Elgato logo watermark on it. Like I say, if you get the full version of the app, the pro version, you can then lose the watermark, and you also get the full 1080p. Once you've done this, you can add filters like normal. So if you wanted to, you can right click on Epoch, go filters, and then simply add any filters you want. So let's just go apply LUT. So you can even make your webcam look a little bit better. Browse the LUTs. Let's just go what I normally use. Where is it? That one. So let's just stick the same LUT that I've got on my main camera on here. As you can see, it's not done the best. It's not as nice as my main camera, but they're just showing you can use filters. So that's it. That's the Epoch cam setup. Like I say, the pro version is less than $10, so, and £10, so it's not going to cost you horrendous amounts if you do want to go for the 1080p. It's a lot cheaper than buying a webcam or buying a camera. So that's that shown there. Let's go over and finish up. So there you go. There's how you can use the EpocCam app as a webcam for your live stream or content creation in general. I've used it a few times before on my Twitch channel to show viewers exactly what I'm talking about when it comes to my setup. Speaking of Twitch, you can find me live every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday around 7 PM GMT. Links are all in the description below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the video if it's been helpful. Thanks for watching. Take care.